Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to switch from Google Gemini back to Google Assistant. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go and open Google, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that go and click on settings. After that scroll down to Gemini, click on it. And after that scroll down until you will find digital assistants from Google. And here, as you can see, it's like on Gemini. You have just to click on Google Assistant and click on switch, and like that it's switched back to Google Assistant. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section and I will be sure to answer all of your questions in the next video. And until the next video, bye.